Before I start with my Kubestronaut journey, I would like to talk a little about what Kubernetes is. So Kubernetes, it's an orchestration tool used to manage containers. Containers, they are isolated environments used to deploy applications or microservices. So Kubernetes, it is used to automate deployments, scale applications based on the requirement, and manage the containerized applications. Also, Kubernetes it's an open source technology. That means it is publicly available for use. Let's look at a couple of key features of Kubernetes. So Kubernetes it can efficiently schedule containers based on resource requirements. Kubernetes it can do self-healing. That means it can automatically restart failed containers and replace the unhealthy ones. That means if a container fails, it can automatically bring a new instance of that application back up just to maintain the service availability. Kubernetes it can do horizontal scaling. That means it can scale up the application and all or it can scale down the application. That means it can bring up new instances of the application based on what the traffic is. If the traffic increases, the number of application instances will go up. It can be increased by Kubernetes or it can be decreased by Kubernetes based on the requirements or the traffic how it changes. Kubernetes, it can automatically expose containers to other containers or the internet. So basically Kubernetes, it can automatically assign DNS names and IP addresses so that ensures the service discovery. So that's an important feature of Kubernetes. Kubernetes, it can do automated rollouts. So let's say an upgrade happens, okay, and that upgrade needs to be implemented. So Kubernetes, it can do automated deployments. It will ensure that the running applications they don't go down. So basically, your current implementation will keep on running, okay, and you can automatically upgrade the deployments. So that's automated rollouts. Kubernetes, it can do storage orchestration. That means you can mount storage of your choice automatically. You can assign the storage from your local resources what you have, or you can also do it from the cloud environments. That means if let's say you want to assign the storage from AWS or Google Cloud, you can do that. The storage volumes they can be attached to your applications from the cloud as well as from your local storage space. So that can be done. Kubernetes, it can do secret management. That means it can store and manage sensitive information securely. Any sensitive data that is, pertaining to the application, it can be secured safely by Kubernetes and it can be stored. Kubernetes, it can do batch executions. That means it can manage both the batch, operations or the regular workloads by assigning appropriate resources to each. So there won't be any issues in handling both the scenarios. So it can be easily done by Kubernetes. There are many other, Kubernetes means container technologies, orchestration technologies like Docker Swarm, Apache Mesos, then HashiCorp, Nomad. But Kubernetes, it's the most prominent one, and it's been used for a long time now. And most of the companies throughout the world, they always go for Kubernetes only.